Hello everybody, this is Darvesh Khan, Subject Specialist English. Dear fellows, today I'm here with you for lecture number 42. Lecture number 42 is about two other types of subject. One is called compound subject, while the second one is called complex subject. What do we mean by compound subject? Compound subject is that subject when we say that two nouns are used in one place in a sentence. For example, there is one noun, there is another noun, or there is one pronoun and there is another pronoun. When these two are used and with the help of conjunction, they are connected. So it means that these two nouns, when they are used in place of subject, this is called compound subject. For example, I say Darvesh and Javed are teachers. Now it means that this is called subject, but one noun is used and another noun is used. With the help of and, they are connected. It means Darvesh is a teacher and Javed is a teacher. Such kind of subject which is used here, Darvesh and Javed are teachers. This is called compound subject. Let me give you another example. For example, I say Gulalai and Jamila are best friends. It means that Gulalai is a good friend, Jamila is a good friend. So when I say that they are best friends, it means Gulalai and Jamila, these two names are used in place of subject. Such kind of subject is called compound subject. Then we have complex subject. Complex subject is another type of subject which we understand that when a subordinate clause is used in place of subject, this is called complex subject. For example, I say the man who accepted your invitation has arrived. Has arrived. It means the man who accepted your invitation. This whole is called subject. But in this subject, there is who accepted your invitation. This very clause, it is limited to the word man, but it works as post modifier. So we consider that subject is here, but the whole is called subject, and has is verb, and again it is also verb. So we understand that complex subject is that subject when we say that there are many sentences in which the subjects are a bit elongated. For example, that teacher who you met last day is my friend. It means that that teacher who you met last day is used with that teacher. Such kind of subject which is a bit elongated, this is called complex subject. Now the last is preparatory subject. Preparatory subject is that subject when we use it as an empty subject for time. It is time to go home. When we use it, it is a rainy weather. Such it is used as preparatory subject. I hope so. Or for example, let me give another example. It is pleasant to stay here. Now, what is this? This is called preparatory subject because it does not play any role in it, but rather it just pushes the very meaning of the sentence. I hope so you like this video. Please watch my channel and do subscribe it and please promote it. Thank you all.